Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Head over to the Apple App Store. This is where you can search and download any app available for iOS. Once you're inside the App Store, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the search icon. In the search bar at the top, type in Loklok and wait for the results to appear. When you see the Loklok app in the list, simply tap on it to open the apps page. Tapping the download icon, you may be asked to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password depending on your settings. Once confirmed, the app will start downloading to your device. Now just wait a few seconds while the download and installation process completes. The Loklok icon will appear on your home screen. Tap it to open the app, and you're good to go. That's it! You can now browse through the content and enjoy watching movies and TV shows right from your device using Loklok. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next one.